a high-speed, fully automatic 6-screen printing machine on glass bottle and plastic bottle. This tool is the automatic loading and unloading robot. With this style of robot, the machine could get a much higher working capacity, up to at least 70 pieces per minute. This is the CCD registration for the bottom. And this is the CCD registration for the sidewall. This is the plasma cement. It is perfect for those plastic and glass bottles pre-treatment before screen printing for increasing the ink adhesion. And this is the fire cement. This is the fully servo 6-screen printing head. Six-screen frame by servo, up and down by servo, quick G by servo. Yeah, fully servo, which is fitting for all those different shapes like triangle, oval, square shapes, rectangular shapes, flat shape in 360 angle degrees for one-time running through. And this is the LED curing system. This is the second color printing station. And this is for the third color fully servo station. The fourth color fully servo 6-screen printing station. Each printing station will have attached with the LED curing. Touchscreen have both English and Chinese or Spanish. This is the unloading robot. This is the CCD registration position for both bottom and side wall of the bottle.